What's the meaning of brutalize? Brutalize. Brutalize.
Brutalize. Brutalize. The word brutalize means to treat someone in a cruel and violent way, often causing physical or emotional harm. It refers to a deliberate act of inflicting pain and suffering on another person, either physically or psychologically. The result of brutalizing someone can range from physical injuries to emotional trauma, both of which can have long-lasting effects. Victims of brutalization may experience a loss of trust in others and a sense of helplessness, leading to psychological distress and behavioral problems. In summary, brutalizing someone can cause significant harm and should never be tolerated in any form.